Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia G50. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. At the beginning, let's open Google Pay app and tap on blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on Loyalty, Gift Card and Transit. Tap on Loyalty and select shop you want to add your loyalty card to, for example IKEA Poland. Next you can scan your card or enter details manually, then tap Save. Let's go back. And select Gift Card. Gift Card is pretty similar to Loyalty. Select Shop, add card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Save. Then we've got Transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.